My brain spent years acting like a frantic toddler in a candy store who just got told no. It was this exhausting cycle of high-speed mental chaos followed by a complete emotional meltdown. I was desperately searching for a way to turn down the volume on that internal noise. I wanted to feel steady without feeling like a total zombie. That search eventually led me to a little bottle called Steady Mood Drops. Most people reflexively reach for a bulky pill or a sugary gummy when they feel fried. This is different because it is a liquid supplement. The big selling point here is speed. You are not stuck waiting around for some hard capsule to slowly dissolve in your stomach while your stress levels are already hitting the red zone. It enters your system much faster than traditional supplements. One of the standout ingredients is pine bark extract. This specific extract is a real heavy hitter for helping the human body manage stress naturally. You can think of it as a high-quality shock absorber for your nervous system. It helps you take the heavy hits of daily life without your mood bottoming out. I have been putting these drops to the test in my own life. My mornings used to be a total gamble. If I spilled even a tiny splash of coffee, or if my alarm went off a few minutes early, it felt like a personal attack from the universe. Everything felt like a crisis. Now, the edges just feel smoother. My focus is actually sharp for a change. I am no longer just drifting from one random task to the next in a thick mental fog. My brain actually remembers its to-do list without me having to write it on my hand. The change in my sleep was probably the most surprising part of the whole experience. I finally stopped that miserable routine of tossing and turning like a frantic cat on a metal roof. I actually feel like I am resting now. I am not just lying there in the dark waiting for the sun to come up. These drops are pediatrician formulated. That is a huge deal for peace of mind. It means safety was the priority. It was the focus from day one. You are not some test subject. You are not part of a science experiment. It was designed with genuine care for how the body handles these botanical ingredients. If you are tired of riding that emotional roller coaster where you are soaring one minute and crashing into the dirt the next, this is a tool you should seriously consider. Think of it as a tiny professional manager for your mood. It fits right in your pocket. You do not have to just sit there and let the stress win every single morning. You can actually take a proactive step. You can use something that works in harmony with your biology. It is all about reclaiming your sanity. It is about preventing the small inconveniences of life from turning into a massive drama series. Your brain deserves a break from the constant parade of loud emotions. Give yourself that win. See how it feels to be in control again. Your nervous system will definitely thank you for the breather. You deserve to wake up without feeling like you are already behind on your own life. These drops are not just another bottle of hope with a fancy label. They are a practical way to keep your brain functioning like a well-oiled machine. Stop the yelling and start the focusing. It is time to give your nerves the vacation they have been begging for since last year.